Today we're going to be setting up the 36-inch pull-behind harvester. The only tools you'll need are a 7/16" wrench or socket wrench and a knife to open up your boxes. If the fingers jumped out a little bit during shipping, just press them back in. Go ahead and cut the nose bar out. Grab the two legs and lay them out. Take the pins out. Now slide the leg up into your nose bar and then put the pin back in. Same with the other side, of course. You can either pull the wheels out of the box, like this, or you can just cut them out. And inside you'll find assembly instructions and all the nuts and bolts. And you've got your two baskets back here as well. Now we're going to attach the nose bar to the wheels. The back hole will go right on this bolt. And onto the other side. There might be a little flex here. Just tighten it up with your 7/16" socket wrench. Snug it up a little bit. So real quick, I'm going to give you a brief lesson in the mechanics and theory of the 36-inch pull-behind harvester. This nose bar, it can pivot now that it's attached to the back bolts. And this hole corresponds to these holes that are molded into the bracket. We made it adjustable like this so it can be customized to whatever machine you're using, whether it's a mower, ATV, or even a golf cart. Each machine varies in size, so it's nice to have the ability to adjust. The goal is to get this triangular bracket a couple inches off the ground, which is going to help keep the baskets level. This will allow them to be filled to their maximum capacity. If the baskets are too low, they'll drag, and if they're too high, you won't be able to fill them up all the way. You may only get half a basket's worth of nuts out of it. Now, with that little bit of bag of nuts science behind us, I'm going to show you a neat little trick. You can take this foam piece that came in the packing and use it to get a nice level height for your baskets. Now, once you've got it to where the baskets are level, it's time for you to decide where to hook it onto your specific machine. Right now, I'm hooking it to the top of this bar on the back of the mower, but it could go lower if I wanted it to, like down here, or even here. I personally like it higher up, but you'll have to decide where on your machine you're going to put it. So now that you've got your angle set, just find the pre-drilled hole that matches up best, and that's where you'll put your bolt in. There, just give it a little tightening up and you're good to go. Oh, and don't forget to put your baskets back in. It really just wouldn't work. That's the nuts and bolts of setting up your 36-inch pull-behind harvester.